In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add bank details to an invoice in Xero. This process is straightforward once you know the steps, and it ensures your clients can easily pay you through bank transfer. Let's get started. First, you'll need to log into your Xero account. Head over to the Xero website and click the login button you see at the top right of the page. Here, you'll be prompted to enter your email and password. If everything is correctly entered, press the login button to access your account. Once you're logged in, you'll be directed to the Xero dashboard. This is your central hub where you can manage all your financial processes. From here, locate the business tab at the top of the dashboard. Clicking on this will open up a drop-down menu. Select invoices to proceed to the next step. In the invoices section, you have a variety of options to manage your invoicing needs. Go ahead and click on New Invoice. This will open a blank invoice form where you can enter all necessary details for the transaction. When you reach the invoice screen, you will need to populate various fields. Make sure you enter your contact's details accurately. These are essential for ensuring the invoice reaches the right place. You'll want to include all relevant information such as the item or service being billed, the amount, and due date. Double check this section to avoid any discrepancies. After filling in the necessary details, you'll see 3 dots near the Approve an Email section. This is where you can access additional settings. Click on these 3 dots to reveal more options and then select Invoice Settings from the menu. In this settings menu, you'll see an option labeled Options. Click on this and then select Edit. It's here within the Terms and Payment Advice section that you can add your bank details. Adding your bank information is key. It allows your clients to pay you directly via bank transfer, which can expedite the payment process and ensure smooth financial management. When filling out the bank details, ensure all information is accurate and complete. Include your bank name, account number, and any other necessary information specific to your banking institution that will assist your client in making the transfer. Once you've added the information, review everything to ensure there are no errors. It's always a good idea to double check your entries, especially those concerning financial transactions. Once confirmed, save your changes and you're done. You've now successfully added bank details to your invoices in Xero, making it easier for your clients to pay you. Implementing this setup helps streamline your financial transactions and improves cash flow efficiency. Thank you for following along, and I hope this guide has been helpful to you.